Gold just broke below its 200-day moving average for the first time since 2023. It's sitting at $4,076, down $188 in a single session at the time of this recording. 4.4% in one day. If you're watching that price and panicking, you're doing exactly what they want you to do. If this is your first time here, we trade precious metals using 3 ratios. I'm going to show you exactly what the numbers are saying right now. Gold at 4,076, silver at 6,472, down 2.9%, platinum at 1,679, off just 1.07. Real quick, if this kind of analysis is useful to you, hit the like button. It's free and it's reversible. It also gets this in front of stackers who need to see it. Here's the context. The May non-farm payrolls report came in stronger than expected. Rate cut expectations fell. The dollar moved. Gold sold hard. And then it hit the 200-day moving average, a technical line that had held for over 2 years. And it cracked straight through it. That broke the trend signal and triggered algorithmic selling on top of the fundamental move. Most people looked at the chart and panicked. That's emotion. We're going to do math. 3 ratios, 1 read. Let's roll. Let me pull up the system. 3 ratios on screen. Gold to silver. 64-14, down from 65-53. Platinum to gold, 0.41, up from 0.40. Platinum to silver, 26-42, up from 26-41. 3 numbers, 3 arrows. Let's go through each one. First, gold to silver ratio. 64-14 puts us in the neutral zone, 60-70. That's fair value, hold. No trade signal here. And here's why the GSR moved down today. Gold dropped 4.4%. Silver dropped 2.9%. When gold falls harder than silver, that ratio compresses. Silver held its relative value. The system says hold silver. And the GSR needs 70 before I start loading. We're not at 70. The position is locked. Move on. Second, platinum to gold. The platinum to gold ratio is 0.41, up from 0.40. That puts us in the platinum 0.40 to 0.50 zone, which means buy platinum. This one triggered. Here's the math. Gold at 4,076, platinum at 1,679. 1 ounce of gold buys 2.43 ounces of platinum right now. The last time platinum to gold ratio reached parity 1-to-1 was 2001, 25 years ago. We are currently sitting at 41 cents on the gold dollar. I'm not predicting parity. That's not what this system does. I'm reading the ratio, and the ratio says platinum is historically cheap against gold at this exact moment. If platinum to gold moves from 41 to just 50, the midpoint of fair value, platinum gains 22% relative to gold. That is not speculation. That is what the color zone is designed to quantify. That's the edge. Third, platinum to silver, 26.42, up from 26.41. That's the 25 to 30 zone, and that also means buy platinum. Here's what makes this moment significant. The PSR is not contradicting the PGR. It is confirming it. Both platinum ratios, the one measured against gold and the one measured against silver, are calling the same direction at the same time. When 2 of your 3 ratios align on a single metal, that is not noise. That is a system confirmation. I'm curious, how many of you out there are ratio trading? How many of you out there have not ratio traded but would like to? And how many of you out there aren't interested at all and just want me to shut up about ratios and go on with the prices? All right, well, one more layer. The fear and greed index is sitting at 28, fear territory, down from 42. When the crowd is fearful and the ratios are confirming, that's precisely when this system is designed to act. Here's the full read across all 3. Hold silver. The GSR is quiet. Watch gold. It made a major technical move. And platinum is the relative buy right now. That's math, not emotion. So here's what I'm doing. My current allocation: 4 ounces of gold, 146 ounces of silver, and 9 ounces of platinum. Closed system. No new capital enters ever. All growth comes from trading within this existing allocation. Both platinum ratios are confirming buy platinum. That means I'm looking at the gold side of this ledger. I have 4 ounces of gold. The platinum to gold ratio is calling platinum. So the question I'm running right now: do I trade 1 ounce of gold for platinum? Here's the exact math on that decision: 1 ounce of gold at 4,076, 1 ounce of platinum at 1,679. That's a ratio of 2.43. Right now, 1 ounce of gold buys 2.43 ounces of platinum. If I execute that trade, I will then have 3 ounces of gold, 146 ounces of silver, and 11.4 ounces of platinum. Portfolio dollar value stays roughly flat, but my platinum ounce position increases 27%. That's the math. I have not pulled the trigger yet, and here's why. Gold just broke a 4.4% single session hit. Short term volatility can create temporary ratio distortion. I want one more session of confirmation: platinum holding price while gold stabilizes. If that holds, I'm in. I will document that trade when it happens. That's what this system does. It waits for confirmation, not impulse. What should you consider if platinum to gold is between 40 and 50 and platinum to gold to silver is between 25 and 30 and you're holding gold? You have a framework decision to make this week, not because gold dropped, because the ratio says so. One thing to carry into the week: platinum just held while gold sold hard. That relative strength is exactly what the 3 ratio system is built to catch. What's your read on this move? Drop it below, like if you're stacking, and share this with a stacker who needs to see it. That's the count for this week. And as we navigate these markets, remember that while silver is our hedge against the world, Christ is the only anchor for the soul. Without him, I'm lost. Through him, I'm found. All the glory goes to my Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ, and may God bless you all. I'm Turbo. Keep stacking and stay faithful.